Welcome to NMAMIT YouTube channel. My name is Prithvi Sheth and I am from Department of Information Science and Engineering. In this video, I will be explaining you about making of pool balls and applying animations using Blender. To make 5 pool balls, first we added the object according to the 3D cursor, and this 3D cursor can be moved using the left mouse button. Then go to Add menu, select Mesh and then UV sphere at the location of the 3D cursor. For the realistic look of the pool balls, we have used the orthographic projections. We have also switched from wireframe to solid and edit mode to object mode, which gives the nice smooth surface. The original pool ball is duplicated and then by using the scaling property, we have down the size of the duplicate pool ball where the pool ball number is located. Next, to apply the light, we create the plane from Add menu and resize it using scaling and rotation property. The material which we set for the plane is emission, which emits light. The camera view shows the current scene from the currently active camera's viewpoint. It can be activated by pressing numpad 0. The camera view can be used to virtually comfort animation and preview how the scene will look when rendered. We keyframe the camera's partition including its size. Finally, we get the resulting animation. Rendering is the process of creating a 2D video from your 3D scene. Computer will perform various complex calculations based on camera lighting and material to give you a rendered image. This process may take some time depending on the complexity of the scene and your hardware. If you have a graphics card, you can enable GPU rendering.